Hey guys, guess what I got? A huge box. To put things in perspective, this is my knee. This is my waist. Yeah, this box is waist high. All right, let's go. See what's in here. Oh, hello. Are these, I think I have these, oh my gosh, look at that, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, these are lovely. I have the Sterilite version. These are even taller and bigger. And these have 5 drawers instead of 3. Oh, that's wonderful. I think I'm gonna use one of them for arts and crafts and one of them for, oh, who am I kidding? They're both gonna go to arts and crafts. But look at it, isn't it so nice? These do not have wheels. But you know, that's, but yeah, look at that. These do look very much like the brand name products. I believe these are from Influencer. Look at that, 2 of them. Oh, I'm so thrilled. Thank you, Influencer, for letting me try these. And I am just so thrilled. Look at that. Ignore the wobbly base. I've got, you know, this, actually, look, these stack. These stack, you see that? These stack, so you can technically, if you want to, have, I mean, I don't think I like it this high, because I'm 5'9". This is literally probably 5'7" tall, stacked together. But you know what? If you want to stack them together, you can. Okay, that is super cool. I love him. All right. Well, I mean, there's really not much to review here. These are pretty solid. I mean, yeah. These are solid. These are nice. And I love that they have multiple drawers, and I look forward to using them. And I like the clear drawers too. Yeah, so thanks for letting me try these, and I am thrilled to use them. Have a good day, guys.